Hello, everyone. 11th, chapter number 11th, 11.2nd exercise. As you can see here, it's 8 to 11, means 8, 9, 10, and 11. Four questions we will solve here in this lecture, in this video. This is the 8th standard mathematics, and right now you are in Joshi's online study of Josh. Our application is also in Play Store. So link I will upload in description. Okay. So in description box you can get a link, and if you are new on this channel, then you can subscribe this channel so all my videos notification you can get quickly. And I, Tushar Joshi, behalf of Omkar English Medium School, this is the part of Omkar English Medium School's digital platform. So you all are again heartily welcome in Omkar English Medium School's digital platform. Today we have to see, as I have said, question number 8 to 11. Eighth question, as you can see here. Okay, that is on your in your mobile screen. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shape field. Here in figure, as you can see, this is the trapezium shape field. Okay, actually this is the field. So one side is road, and the other side of field there is a river. This is a very practical situation that you can understand. Okay, now its side along the river is parallel to, and see, this is the typical line, huh? Its side along to river is parallel to and twice the side of along the road. Means this side, some notation if you want to give, then you can give. For example, A, B, C, and D. Okay, so CD is parallel to AB. First of all, I will write down all the data which is given. CD is parallel to AB. I think you know this is the parallel sign. Okay, CD is parallel to AB, and here it is written parallel to and twice the side along the road. Means CD is twice the AB. Okay, as per condition we can write as. This is confusive line, and without this landmark you can not go ahead in your answer. So as per situation, otherwise as per first condition you can write. Okay, as per first condition you can write CD. 1 minute, I will not write, I will ask you first. CD is double of AB, then what we should write in equation form? If you want to write CD is equal to 2AB or AB is equal to 2CD. Question is, as you can see here in figure, CD is double of AB. દેખાય છે બધાને બરાબર ને? CD is double of AB. Now this thing I want to write here in equation format. We will not write obviously in word that CD is double double of AB. We will not write in that type. Two things I'm writing. You just tell me CD is equal to 2AB, AB is equal to 2CD. Now tell me which is correct and which is not. First is correct. Okay, you all correct like my equation. So we can write equation number first. If you want to give some equation number, then you can give, otherwise it's not required. Okay, CD is equal to 2AB. It means that if AB is equal to 10 meter, just assume 10 meter, then CD is equal to 20 meter. Okay, so these both are parallel also, and one is double of other also. Okay, so I think first condition is clear. Now, area is given, okay, 10,500 meters square. Area is given in meter square, this is given. And the perpendicular distance between two parallel sides is also given, that is 100 meter. Find the length of the side along the river. Means this length we have to find here. That is also we will write. What we have to find? CD we have to find. Okay. Think as much as practical as you can think. Okay, because this is the very much practical question. This is the field. One side is road, other side is river, and the bigger side we have to find. Area is given. Now I want your suggestion. What we should do? Which formula we should apply? 1/2 into height into parallel side. That is little bit wrong. Let me write here. Yes, a plus b. Okay, then area of field. Area of field. Otherwise, you can write area of trapezium also. Wait, just when somebody is trying to come. Okay, area of field is equal to 1/2 into height into a plus b. Okay, means one side plus other side. So you can write a b plus cd also. Okay, so now 1/2. Height is what actually here? We will write down height is 100. Yes, why not? You can write x, so this is 2x. Okay, then I will write, let me write here x into x. Okay, ab is equal to x, so that it will be easy for you because you are habituated to write in this pattern. A b is equal to x meter as well as cd is equal to 2x meter. Now okay, again somebody is trying to come. Okay, then we will write x plus 2x. Okay, and this is given, area is given 10,500. So two zeros I will cut from here. These two zero will cut and these two zero will cut. Okay, so these two will multiply with 105, 105. So what will come here? 210, 105 to 210 is equal to x plus 2x is 3x. So value of x easily you can find 70, and that is what meter. Okay, three sevens. Okay, and 10 you have to write. So x is equal to 70 meter. So x is equal to actually ab, that is 70 meter. So 2x 140 meter. Okay, that is your cd and that is our answer. We have to find the, it is written here, see, find the length of the side along the river. This is the river side. Okay, so that is 140 meter. So your answer is, you have to write properly, you have to write in statement format. That side along the river is 140 meter. Okay, hello, not clear, still not clear, not clear. Okay, okay, he said no clear. Is it remain to write? Okay, write down fast. 30 second I will give you. Hmm. Because here see, this, from this point you write again. twice the side. Okay, river side is actually river is means river side is twice the side along the road. This river side is which is cd. River side is what? Cd is twice the side along the road. Means AB is x, then CD is equal to 2x. So that I have written CD is equal to 2B. If here see AB is equal to 70, okay, x, and x is what? AB. Here x is AB. So AB is equal to 70. So 2 into 70, if you will multiply, then 140 you will get, and that is CD. જે સીડી છે ને જે સીડી છે ને તે ओके डन. वैसे तो आप लोग बहुत समझदार हो. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Top surface of a raised platform is in a shape of rectangular octagon as shown in figure. Area of octagonal surface we have to find. So easy. Okay, you tell me how we will find this. 1 minute. Let me make this figure bigger so that maybe some ideas can be spark in your mind. Again, okay, it's enough bigger, I think. Now, see here. In short, this figure is given here as you can see, and its area we have to find. How? 30 second is given. Done. Something is remain still. Two trap. Yes. Mm, yes, one rectangle. Two trapezium, one rectangle. That is the answer. I always focus on logic only. If logic is wrong, then answer will not come. Okay, always focus on logic because logic is power. Concept is power. Now see here. See, two trapezium. Okay, this is the first trapezium, and if you draw one line, okay, so here will form other trapezium. Area of both trapezium obviously that is same only. So actually total answer, actually what we should write here, area of octagon. Just see, huh, properly see. And if you don't understood still, then you ask me immediately. Right now you can stop me anytime, you can stop me, but after completing full answer, then you will, if ask sir not understood, then I will answer, okay, what not understood, sir, nothing. It's not like that. Then here, if I will write here area of octagon, okay, area of octagon, otherwise octagonal surface also you can write, or octagon also you can write. Okay, area of octagon is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 into h into a plus b, okay, plus lb. 1 minute again, let me erase these things. I'm not satisfied with it. I will write again. Area of two trapezium. First, I will write in word. Okay. Area of octagon is equal to area of two trapezium. Yes, two trapezium plus area of rectangle. And now we'll write the formula 2 trapezium. Okay, so that I will write here 2 into area of trapezium is 1 by 2 into height into a plus b bracket complete plus area of rectangle is L into b. Now, as you know, 2 and 1 by 2 will cut, so that what we can write, h into a plus b plus lb. Okay, h. Now actually we should write down all the data which is given. Every time in any question, right now actually I forgot this thing, but in every question write down all the data which is given. So first I will write down here h. So let me write here where to write. Let me write here h is equal to 4 meter. Now a plus b, so a is equal to 5 meter because all the sides are same. 6 of the sides are same, sorry, 8 of the sides are same for octagon. So a is yes, regular. And a is equal to 5 meter and b is equal to 11 meter. Okay, b is equal to 11 meter, this one the bigger side. Okay, and L is equal to, now this is for, because L and B is for rectangle. Okay, these are denoted to rectangle. So what we can write, L is length, so length is equal to again 11. Breadth of breadth means B means base also, you can consider base of trapezium is actually length of rectangle. If not understood then also it's okay. L is equal to 11 meter. Right now you can write. How this come? Because this you can see, this is the rectangle. Bigger side is length always. So length is equal to 11 meter I have written. And breadth is again it will come 5. So breadth, here you will be confusing this B and B. Okay, so I will write here X plus Y because this B and B you will become confused. Okay, so otherwise you can write B1 B2. XY you can write means different variable you can write. Both variable not should be same, otherwise you will be confused to substitute the value. Then let me write here b1 and b2. Okay, so that it will not be mixed up. So I will write here b1 and as well as b2 is equal to 5 meter. Just substitute the value and get the answer, so easy. Okay, then h is equal to, here also we should write b1 and b2, otherwise somebody from your side also only you will ask, sir, here b is common, why you haven't taken it common? Okay, but it's not common because both are different, b1 and b2. Yes or no, agree? Yes. Let's substitute this all value. H is equal to, let me write here 4 in bracket a plus b. So 5 plus b1. B1 means 11 plus L into b2. So 11 into 5. Just so easy. Okay. 11 plus 5 is 16. So 4 into 16 plus 11 into 5, 55. And 16 for the plus 55 meter square. 119 meter square is the answer. Clear? 30 second is given fast. Actually I should say 30 seconds are given. Okay, write down. Done? I think it's done. It should be done. And if still not, then afterward you can complete. Okay. Let us go toward the next question, 10th question. Are you enjoying or getting bored? Some see sometime technical problem can be there. Yeah. Sometimes technical problem can be there, so it happens. For example, last lecture today, actually I was not satisfied, but what I can do? Okay, some technical problem means poor connectivity. If I have, then again I will exit. So it happens sometimes. Okay, I will try to solve this all problem and will try to conduct a good lecture like this, and like previous also which I have conducted. I will try to do my best. Okay, 10th question. Pentagonal shape park is there here. It is shown in figure. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided it in two different ways. Okay, so this is the park actually. Mm, yes. 1 minute. This is the park. Some notation if you want to give, then you can give A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so this is Jyoti's diagram. These both friends are going to find the area of this park, but the methods are different. So this is the diagram of this is the diagram and this is Kavita's diagram. Now for finding its two different ways. Actually question should be there. I haven't taken by mistake. I haven't cropped that 1 meter. Yes, downside also it was. But by mistake I have taken up to here only. So find the area of this park using both ways. Let me crop these things. By mistake I have taken just few things. Okay, now it's done. Okay, then we have to find area of this park using both ways. Can you suggest some other way of finding its area? Okay, first we will give some notation. A, B, C, D, and E. Clockwise also you can go, otherwise anti-clockwise also you can go. But the pattern should be same for everywhere. If you are writing clockwise notation, then everywhere you have to write clockwise. Otherwise, if you are anti-clockwise going to write, then anti-clockwise you have to maintain. Then A, B, C, D, E as well as here also A, B, C, D, E, and here also anti-clockwise only. Okay, don't write here clockwise. A, B, C, D, E. In few cases, answer will come same, but some synchronization also should be there. Na? Continuity also should be there. ઘણી વખત એવું બને કે તમે ક્લોકવાઇઝ ને એન્ટી ક્લોકવાઇઝ કરો તો આન્સરમાં જનરલી કાંઈ ફરક ન પડે અમુક ક્વેશ્ચન એવા હોય પણ આપણે સિંક્રોનાઇઝેશન રહેવું જોઈએ બરાબર બધી ફિગર વચ્ચે by Jyotish diagram, how we can find its area. This is trapezium. Hmm. Hmm. Trapezium height already we have, and A also we have, B also we have. But this thing we have to write first. અને થોડીક મોટી કરી હોત ને ડાયાગ્રામ ફિગર તો વધારે ખબર પડે 1 મિનિટ તમને મજા આવશે થોડીક ડાયાગ્રામ મોટી કરીએ આપણે. No, then question will be It will not be covered. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, then here, uh, area of park by Jyotish diagram. Okay, we'll write area of trapezium is equal to area of trapezium, and area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 into height into a plus b. But because two trapeziums are there, first is a b c, here also f, we should say a b c f, second is a f d e. Two trapeziums are there. Okay, so I will multiply it by 2. Anybody have a problem? I have multiplied it by 2. चलेगा. Okay, then 2 and 2 is cancelled, so that h in bracket of a plus b given, it is given. That is the question actually I wanted to ask you. See, height. No, now see this. This is the height. See, right? Wait. This is the height now, because see the trapezium. Okay, so now this is the height. Again, some name here we should give. काय copy the black. It's no 15's half again. Total is 15. See, this total CD is 15. So if I draw one line here, focus here only, huh? If I draw one line here, જો ભાઈ જ્યોતિએ શું કર્યું કે આ જે પેન્ટાગોન છે એકચ્યુઅલી એને બે ટ્રેપેઝિયમમાં ડિવાઈડ કર્યું. સમજો આખું ક્વેશ્ચન. Here ABCDE actually pentagon, but she has divided a pentagon into trapezium. So now this will become height here as I have shown. અને આને હું કંઈક નામ આપી દઉં, O કહી દઉં. BO. BO is height. If you are agree, then say yes, otherwise no. Okay, then BO is the height. Total is 15. Okay, total is 15, so it's half, it will be na 7.5 only. So height is equal to 7.5. I will write here h is equal to 7.5 meter. Yes or no? Height is equal to 7.5. So I will write here 7.5. If you are still not agree, then you stop me. You can stop me. Yes. Okay. Now a plus b. Actually, what is our a? BC is our a. So a is equal to BC is equal to. Hello. લેક્ચર શરૂ છે, અમને કમ્પ્લીટ કરીને આવું. A means now A and B is actually parallel side or not? A and B is actually parallel side. So this is the first parallel side. BC is first parallel side and AF is second parallel side. આખી આ જે ડાયાગ્રામ છે એ 90 ડિગ્રીએ ટિલ્ટ થઈ ગયેલી છે, તમે સમજો. Then A is equal to BC is equal to 15 meter and B is equal to AF is actually 30 meter. So these values we should substitute here. So a plus b. Okay, a plus b. So a is equal to 15 plus b is equal to 30. So 30 and 50, 45. Okay, so 7.5 into 45. This multiplication you should complete. Tell me what is the answer? That is the area of वह हाँ वही आएगा मतलब मैं पूछ नहीं रहा. आई एम आस्क. Who said? Okay. Then if you multiply, then 337.5 meter square will come. You first check this answer. This should be answer. यही आएगा. ध्रुव तेरी स्टाइल अच्छी है बोलने की, यही आएगा. Okay, 337.5 meter square is the answer. Up to here, is it clear? Okay, this is still not completed. Huh? The half part, almost half part you can say, is completed. Jyotish diagram is completed, but still we have to find for Kavita. Okay, then for Kavita, mm, okay, I got the answer. What we will do for Kavita? Tell me. Triangle and square. Area of triangle. How you will find? कौन सा वाला है? Into B into H. Okay, I have one more idea. See, this also we can follow, but here, okay, base. Okay, this is the base. BE is the base, and this is the height. Let it called T. AT is the height. But now you tell me the measurement of AT. How you will find AT? कैसे करेंगे? Tell me. So simple. It's so simple. No, wrong. 15 only you will get. See this diagram. First main diagram. See. Yes. See this main diagram. One minute. I lost my I lost my cursor. Uh, yes, it's here. Okay, see, this is the base. Okay, up to here it is 50. 15. Total is 30. So remaining part is 15 only na. Simple. So 80 is equal to 15 meter. So now here you can do one thing. Actually, I can use another slide. Next slide I have put blank only for this. But if I will change this slide, so full question and this figure will not be front of you. So that in this much less space I am trying to write. Okay. Okay. By green pen, what I am writing that is for Kavita. Okay. So area in short. Now that much description I will not write. Final answer I will write. Area of park is equal to. Okay. Area of park is equal to triangle plus square. This symbol you don't have to put, you have to write in proper manner. Okay, then now two things here we can do. Not actually two things, three can we can do for triangle. See, first method which you have said, 1 by 2 into base into height. Base is also no, listen. Right now I'm saying you for area of triangle we can do three methods. Area of triangle how we can get? See, first method as you have see which you have said, 1 by 2 into base into height. Base is BE here, that is 15, height is also 15. We will get the answer. Second method, AB is also 15, AE is also 15, and BE is also 15. So this is equilateral triangle. And equilateral triangle's area is root 3 by 4 into side square. Using this formula also we can get the answer. Third, Heron formula, which will not you people haven't learned. Actually, this 3 by 4 into side square also you people haven't learned, but just I'm saying you. Okay, so Heron formula 15 plus 15 plus 15, that is the perimeter. Okay, AB plus BE plus AE. So perimeter you will get 45, it's half 22.5, and using Heron's formula, under root of S in into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Using that formula also you can get the answer, but that is too hard for you, too lengthy for you. So that both formula we will not use. With which formula you are already habituated, that formula we will use 1 by 2 into base into height, but I was just giving you information. Okay, then here 1 by 2 into base into height plus, this is square only, so L square we can write. By seeing first side it looks like rectangle, but this figure is not drawn properly. Okay, so that actually figure was also drawn properly, but I have extend this figure when I have cropped this and I have pasted in PowerPoint. So I have extend this horizontally, I have extend, so square become rectangle. Okay, so don't feel this is rectangle, this is square only. Obviously this is square only. Okay, by seeing first figure you can understand this is square. Then these values we will write down here. What is B, what is H, what is L, by by which pen, by this blue pen I'm writing. B is equal to, base is 15, yes. Height is equal to again 15. L is also 15. Yes. Then 1 by 2 into 15 into 15. 15 square 225 directly I have written. Okay, plus L square means side square. So again 225. Okay, one step I have cut, but you can understand. Okay, then 225 is half. Then no, it's half. Dear students, it's half. 225 is half. 112.5, and plus remaining 225 will remain same as it is. First it will divide. First it will divide by 2. Okay, plus 225. So easily final answer you will get. I will 337.5 meter square. By both methods we got same answer. Okay, so it's called verification. This answer is verified here only. Okay, this answer is verified here only. By both method we got same answer, so it's verified. Yes, 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 that I'm thinking that, can we do anything here? You just think. Yes, tell me. Actually so many ways here. Yes, yes. જો ભાઈ ઘણી બધી મેથડ અહીંયા થાય. હવે જો કહું હું તમને કેટલી મેથડ થાય. કરશું નહીં આપણે, because so many methods right now we have. Let me suggest what we can do. Just focus here. Now this first figure I have extend. આમ તો આ ખોટું કરી નાખ્યું. Wait, I will use next slide. ઘણી બધી મેથડ છે, અમુક જેટલી મને યાદ આવે ને હું તમને ખાલી સમજાવું. હું ખાલી આ ફિગર ક્રોપ કરું. Anybody is getting bored? Okay, now see here. A huge figure I have shown to you. See here. Uh, we can do, we can divide first of all here. Okay, a triangle. But this triangle we can divide in two triangle, two right angle triangle. So first we will find area of first triangle, then area of second triangle, and this square we can divide in two rectangle. See, yes, ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं. Again, let me show you this triangle. Okay, this pentagon, actually I should say pentagon, we can divide in two area, two parts. Top side you can, as you can see, that is triangle, and downside as you can see, that is square. But this triangle again we can divide in two part. One equilateral triangle we can divide in two right angle triangle. So that you can see here, one triangle is left side and second triangle is right side, and both are mirror image of each other. Downside also I have done the same thing. I have divided in two rectangle. One square I have divided in two rectangles. So like this also we can get the answer. Otherwise, still you don't want to do this. ऐसे बहुत से तरीके हैं, हम लोग सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे. If you are interested, see, you are, if you are highly interested in mathematics and if you have enough time, then you can see by different difference of method. I will be happy. Otherwise, now what we can do? Mm, Again, we can divide it in one square. We can divide it in two triangle again. See, line is not drawn properly, but you can understand what I want to say. Okay, this is the first triangle, this is the second triangle, and this is the third triangle. Yes or no? Like this, so many things you can think. હજી વધારે થાય જેટલો આપણે આમાં વિચાર, નાના નાના ટુકડાઓ આના જેટલા કરવા હોય એટલા થાય ને ભાઈ. That is very much obvious. Again we can do something. See, ઘણી બધી methods છે. This is the last one for you. This also we can do. Okay, okay, this is already done. Now this square we can divide in four small square. See, okay, then one, two, three, four, five, and six. We can write so many methods we can apply here. That is depend upon you how much you want to go in deep. Okay. Hello. Okay. Okay. Okay, then 11th question. Diagram of the adjacent picture frame has outer dimensions 24, 28. Okay, this is 24, this is 28. That is actually rectangle. A, B, C, and D. This time I have given clockwise name. Okay, A, B, C, D. Dimensions are given. Dimensions means length and breadth. It's called dimension. Okay, so dimensions are given 24, 28. And inner dimensions are given 60, 20. Okay, so this is 16 and this is 20. Find the area of each section of the frame if the width of each section is same. Means this section we have to find. This section means first section, second, third, and fourth. We have to find. Okay, tell me how we will find. Just logic I want to listen. Which shapes formula we will apply? Just you tell me. Hello, are you there? Okay. If you don't know, if you don't know answer, then it's okay. Doesn't matter. You just give some response. Otherwise, I will feel that again I left from meeting. Yes. Okay, trapezium. It's good. Okay, trapezium. Basic thing we got. Okay. So first and third both shapes are same. Okay, both are trapezium means actually four of these shapes are trapezium, but these both are same trapezium. So one actually which I have written that one's area we will find and we will double of it, that is 1 plus 3. Okay, as well as second which I have written its area we will find and it's double because 2 and 4 both are same, as well as 1 and 3 both are same. Up to here agree? Okay, clear for all. But now problem is that now see, let me write first area of inside, also we should give some name. A B C D is given na, then E F G H. In your mobile screen I think this figure will become more tiny. Is it too small, not enough capable, you are not enough capable to see this figure, or is it is clearly visible? Okay. Then area of trapezium we will call it AEFD. Okay, area of AEFD is equal to 1 by 2 into height into A plus B. So we will write down all the data. A is equal to A is 20 centimeter. Okay, inner side smaller side 20 centimeter. B is equal to 20, B is equal to 28 centimeter. If this data is suppose interchange with A and B, because any side you can call A, any side you can call B. So if this data is interchange, then also it don't have any problem. Okay. Now, what is H here actually? H, how we will find? See, this is our H. This length, how we can find? Anybody have any idea? It's so easy. I got it, but I want answer from you. Nobody? Girls? What are you doing? Height, how we will find? Sneha, are you there? Why Sneha generally don't speak anything during lecture? Don't want to like? Don't sorry, I should say don't like to speak. I think she is not in lecture right now. Don't want to jump the screen. Okay, anybody, if you are able to give this answer, then tell me fast because I want to complete this lecture now. If nobody is there, then I will start. Nobody? What is question means this is not movie. So again I have to repeat. You have to focus here. When I ask something, then you just ask me, sir, what is question means you are just behaving like spectators only, not like students. I have asked you what is the height. Now see, that is so easy to get the height. Okay, I have mentioned this height as a blue ink. So yes, yes. Yeah, wait. 28 minus 20 divided by 2. Yes, your logic is 28. Okay, remove 20. But yes, you are correct, but that height I don't want right now. 28 minus 20. That is vertical height you will get. Right now we want horizontal height. 24 minus 16. Your logic is correct, but dimensions you have taken is wrong. See, this height I want, so out of 24 we have to remove this 16. See, this 16. The smaller part we have to remove. Okay, 24 minus 16. So height I will write here 24 minus 16. Divide by 2. How it come? Listen, because which answer we will get? Okay, 24 minus 16. So this much area will cover. Okay, this much area will cover. This much and this much. But if we want particular anyone, then we have to divide by 2 na. So height is equal to 16 minus 24, 8. 8 by 2 is 4. So height is equal to 4 centimeter. Yes, because here right now we have 24 माइनस 16, तो ये जो आंसर मिला हमें, तो ये उसमें फर्स्ट का पोर्शन भी आ गया और थ्री का भी आ गया। मेरी बात सुनो, यहाँ पे देखो, ऐसा होता है अगर मानो के, ठीक है, ये है 24 और ये है 16। तो अगर मैं ये बड़े वाले पोर्शन में से छोटा वाला पोर्शन अगर निकाल दूंगा, ठीक है, तो सिर्फ ये वाला नहीं बचेगा मेरे भाई, ये वाला भी बचेगा। इतना 16 होगा ना, बाकी का जो 8 होगा, ये 8 होगा, इसमें ये वाला हिस्सा भी आ जाएगा और ये वाला हिस्सा भी आ जाएगा ना, because this total was 24. So how it happens? 24, 4 plus 16 plus 4 is equal to 24. Opposite side of rectangle is always parallel and same. Yes or no? Clear? Can I go ahead? Okay. Okay, so that now finally we will substitute the value 1 by 2 into height is 4 into a plus b. So 20 plus 28. So 2 2 are. Now don't be bored because we are going to complete this session. Huh? If you are getting bored, I hope you are not boring, but then also 20 plus 28, 48 into 2, 96 centimeter square. So if this is 96, so this is also 96 na. And using same logic, you have to find you have to find this second and fourth part. Can you able to find? Or if if still not, then I will find here only. Okay, then this is your task. You have to find this both, and finally you have to add portion 1 plus portion 2 plus portion 3 plus portion 4, and whatever you get, that is your answer. Okay, so 96 plus 96 and this both part which you get. So I'm leaving these things on you. I'm not going to be complete. Okay, is it okay or anybody have a problem? Yes. Because here, see, find the area of each section of the frame. Okay, area of each section is asked na, particular. Total is not asked actually. So that is upon you. If you want to find total, then you can write down total also. Nobody will cut your marks. Okay, if what is asked up to that you will write, but more than which is asked, if you will write, then marks will not cut. It's called overwriting. For overwriting, marks will not cut because here see find the area of each section is written. So if particular you will find that for first section this much, second section this much, third, fourth, then also it's okay. And if you are adding this four of the data, then also it's good. Okay, both are correct. Okay, will you? Okay, and now actually because now 11.2 also we have completed. Then all example up to 11.2. I don't know how many examples are there. I have to see actually, but how many examples are there? Okay, that all examples you have to write in example book. Now I will not specify every time because examples you have to write in example book only. You have to maintain example book properly. So that you have to write in example book and this thing right now which I have completed, that all you have to complete in fair book. Okay, up to 11.2 fair book must be completed. Okay, it must be completed as well as you have to maintain workbook also. એમાં જે ટાઈપના ક્વેશ્ચન્સ આવતા હોય એની જેવા તે બધા. Okay, because now 2 days break is there. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow will not meet. On 15th of January we'll meet again, and probably I will check this homework for particular any student, otherwise for few students. Okay. On 15. Hmm? Only it doesn't matter who are here and who are not. It doesn't matter. I have given this homework. That is the matter. Okay. Then we'll meet in our next lecture. Thank you. You may leave. Bye bye.